So we are just 3 kilometers, 3 to 5 kilometers away from Aguada Fort, waiting for my friend Anuj. Always late. Let's see how it goes. We just found a nice spot here, so we are waiting. Nice view here. So we'll just wait here for 5 minutes and then go for Aguada Fort. So this road goes to Aguada Fort. There are basically two roads, this road and this road. We are taking this road because it goes through Resma Ghost and Coco Beach. So we are going by this road. It's just Sunsan road. कोई भी नहीं है वहाँ. So we are riding very fast because we are late to Aguada. Reaching Aguada Fort by 9 o'clock. Now it is 8 o'clock something. So this is the church. It's quite a famous church. Now we are moving back to Resma Ghost Fort. We have been there several times, but I think so we will not go there because we will be late for Aguada. I will show you Aguada Fort and all that stuff later in this vlog, so stay tuned. So this is the Resma Ghost Fort. So we waited at a spot opposite to Resma Ghost Fort and clicked some pictures. From here we can see the whole river Mandovi, and there is a nice view. As you can see the pictures on the screen, the pictures are looking good. So we waited there for 15 to 20 minutes and then we started our journey for Aguada Fort, which is from this point 10 meters away. Took a halt in my friend's house. So it's just a beautiful view here, as you can see. So Aguada is around 1 kilometer from here, so we'll reach around 10 to 20 minutes. So yeah, I will get back to you there, and it is a steep slope, so it would be difficult with the cycle to go. So we just met a man who is a professional cyclist, and let's
say hi. Hello. Yo, what's up?
So he says that he has done from Mumbai to Pune from cycling. And which cycles you have?
You used to cycle on Drake, rally racing, Shimano. Good cycling days over the ghats.
And you can tell the benefits of the cycling.
Cycling, lungs, everything. It's a best exercise. Cycling, swimming, and cycling is so good for the entire body, and the lungs are the real power to last you a lifetime.
Okay, so thank you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Chal, bye.
Okay, thank you.
Know my name?
Oh yeah.
Sanju Baba.
Thanks. So now we are just touching Aguada Fort, just 500 meters away. So let's meet on Aguada. So now we are going to Aguada Fort. There is a lighthouse here back. We are not going there. So Aguada Fort. So guys, we are just entering Aguada Fort and there is a underground jail inside and a lighthouse. So I will show you what's inside the Aguada Fort later in this vlog. So stay tuned for that. So there is a lot of crowd here. So it would be difficult to shoot. So let's see how it goes and let's see Aguada from inside. Guys, we have reached Aguada Fort and let me show you what is there inside the fort. So there is a underground jail here which you can see right now. So this is the basically jail which is underground. So it is like this. So this is the view of the Aguada Fort. This is the selfie point of Aguada Fort where you can click selfies or what. So basically it's a good place to visit in Goa. If you're coming to Goa, definitely check out this place, Aguada Fort. And the Aguada jail is also quite nice, you can visit there. But if you're coming to Goa, Aguada Fort is a must. There are not many places to visit here in Aguada Fort. There is just a jail underground, a lighthouse. This is this lighthouse and underground jail there, and lots of the tourists come here for touring and all that stuff. So if you're coming to Goa, definitely check out this place and enjoy this time lapse. 1, 2 and 3. So guys, we have reached a point, a hill point basically. It is just 1.2 kilometers away from the Aguada Fort, and the view, let me switch the camera and you will be amazed by the view. So we have parked our cycles here, and 1, 2, 3, let me show you the view. It is so panoramic and it is so good, but I know that camera is doing injustice, but in real life it's a great place to view. So now we are basically going to this place, and let's vlog. So we are reaching this beautiful point where you can see the sky, and basically this is the horizon. So the view is just amazing. Let me show you the view from here. So finally we have reached our destination. If you are coming to Aguada Fort, here is a place you can visit. So I just now reached home, and now it is around 6 o'clock in the evening, and oh boy, the ride was very hectic and paining. We did around 68 kilometers. We started our journey at 5 a.m. in the morning, and we went from Panjim to Aguada, and then we went to Museum of Goa, but that I will not show in this vlog, maybe later. So that's it for today, guys. I hope to see you in my next video. It will be a vlog, so let's see, it might be a tech video or something. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends who want to come to Goa, and I will show them vlogs of Goa. So definitely subscribe to my channel for interesting Goa visits and vlogs. So that's it for today, guys. I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.